All right, Jeffy, you need to drink your milk. I don't want to drink my milk. Yes, you are gonna drink your milk, Jeffy. You know what I think about the milk? What is it, Jeffy? Please. No.
That might have probably kill him, right? I would have thought. So we'll just get all of these leaves. Oh no, there's more stuff. There's more stuff over here.
Jeffy, come.
Yes. All of them. Alright. We're not doing too
All right, Jeffy. It's there, okay? I'm gonna be more milk. You're gonna drink that milk, you know. You're gonna drink it. I'm gonna force you to drink it because you never want to eat everything.
Okay, well.
You don't want to eat your donuts. Wait, that's not how. Eat green beans. I hate green beans. Oh, spank. Alright, daughter, you suck being old.
Because then I can start
The old.
things. Is that going to help you a little bit? Okay. So we got 2 level 3s here. Oh, well,
Alright, Jeffy B, you want to tug of war? Junior, I don't want to tug of war. I am cooking. Junior, get in the. I don't want. What the freak do you want, Junior? We want you to cook us chicken. You don't even have chicken, Junior. This is a big freaking fat one ready to freaking get to. I'm not cooking yet. Please, no. Please, no. Please, no. Please, no! You stupid brat. I will chain you up. How about you just go on the couch and I'll tell you. And your friends didn't better leave by 6. Alright, guys, come on. Alright, Junior. Dude, I'm leaving. Alright, guys, what do you want to do? I don't know. Now you just me out.
We're getting close. We've only got 1 lane left.
Alright, Junior.
Wants to go down before others can go
We
up.
gotta
Now,
hit you.
can,
Quiet.
if you wouldn't mind,
Or hit your
climbing
freaking. Oh, yes, I'll cut your body off and tune you up. The police.
Yeah, if we can do that, yeah, we can just chop this
Easier.
line down.
No!
We need to get over the area over here. Yeah, you may as well go up there. You're right there.
Very. I mean,
Right,
like, very.
and I think
Like,
I've
very
done
good.
this. Not to toot my own horn.
I can give you
Should we get
a
more?
shot.
Or should I upgrade
I
the
can
big
stab
ones?
you and poison
Tell you what, I'll
you.
plunk him in there.
Junior, you don't understand.
We'll upgrade another one.
Yes.
We'll upgrade that guy. Lots of leaves.
Yes.
Oh,
Okay, your shot later.
has detected the presence of the
What do you want me to start with? I'll probably start with this dude. What do you want to do? Next, we can cut your body next. I'll cut your body off.
Look at him. He's
See.
horrendous. He's not killing me, so I'm alright. In fact, other things I think are being killed
Give
by
you a
him.
shot.
I haven't lost any soldiers yet.
No, shut up.
Maybe it's these guys.
Oh wait. I have to wait.
Time to attack.
Ooh.
Everybody? Oh, they're all coming back. They're all coming back. Can we even kill them?
I'm gonna get Jeffy.
Well, you
Yes,
think
yes,
so
I
now?
am.
On all sides.
Kids
Yeah, the
die.
stunners or the toners.